Okay then. Hello guys. It's harvest time in a windy day in London. Yeah, you see, I just pruned my tomatoes 3 days ago, and they could have some sun here, so it looks they are getting ripe. Yeah, and also here, you see, enjoy it. Yes. Yeah, great. Thank you everyone. Please like and comment. Thank you. Hello guys, good morning. Here is a cloudy day in London. If you remember, I've done the process of prune for my tomatoes, and you see many of them are ready to harvest. Yes. So it was the right decision to take the extra leaves out, and they could get the enough sun that they are ready now. Yeah. And the surprise here, my sunflower. Yes, it's very nice. We should always try to find our ways like a sunflower. Yes. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye-bye.